are we going?
We are going to Cuxhaven.
Woo! And what are we going to do there?
Oh, we are walking at the seaside and having nice food and looking at ships.
Ships?
Yep. And we are going right now, right through the middle of northern Germany, through Emsland and Oldenburger Münsterland. Yeah.
Hello everyone! Today we are in Cuxhaven, Duhnen, and we want to take you around a little bit and tell you about this place a little bit. So come with us.
Come with us. Cuxhaven is a town at the German North Sea coast, and it is where the River Elbe flows into the North Sea. And the River Elbe is connected to Hamburg, so you see all the big ships coming in and out of Hamburg here. But this is also a town for relaxation, for holidays. A lot of people come here for their summer holidays, or like we in the fall, and we are enjoying the fresh air here and the rough weather, which is really good for us, the long walks on the beach. And I know this place since I was a little boy. The first time I was here was in 1994 when I was 5 years old, and I played at this very beach here. And you can sit in one of these and enjoy your day at the beach when it's the season for it, or you can just stay in the hotel and look out. And it has a lot of things to offer here. Of course, the long walks, good restaurants. Further down there, there's a big harbor with a lot to see and a fish market, but we will be there later. This is our first day here in the vlog, and we just show you around here Cuxhaven Duhnen, which is one part of Cuxhaven.
Why has the water gone down from here?
Yeah, that is because of ebb and flow. And right now it's ebb, and it happens 2 times a day. The tide rises and goes back again. So what we have here is now we have the ground of the sea here, the sea floor, and there's a lot of life in this sea floor. It's actually UNESCO World Heritage because there's so much life in there. Nothing much to see from here, but what people are actually doing now, they walk over to this island there in the distance, which is called Neuwerk, and they also go with horse carriages over there. We show you some footage that we shot there when they went over here. It's a pretty long ride, and it's also a little bit dangerous, especially if you go like these people, you go on foot. You have to be careful if the water goes in and the water comes back, that you not get flooded and drift away in the sea. So you have to watch the tide calendar that is hanging here everywhere. So you have to know what you're doing, but actually twice a day you can walk over to the island.
Mm-hmm.
So you might ask, what is this fascinating thing here? Has Mercedes rims on it, and it looks like a little bit like a G-Class in a very special version, but this is actually an amphibious vehicle, so it's a boat and a car at the same time. And underneath it's a Ford 4x4, and it can swim, and it is used here by the lifeguards. This thing is, I think, maybe 30-40 years old. I still know it from being here as a little child. And the special thing is in the back it has a propeller, and it can go as a boat, it can go as a car, it can go everywhere to rescue people. And inside there's a bed for rescuing people. So, and it has all the maritime navigation lights as well. So it's both, it's a boat and a car, and I'm very happy that it's still here after all those years and it's still in service. So cool to see this old friend again.